Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, turn off your MSI MS14B2 and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. After removing the screws, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, starting from one corner. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the charging port on the motherboard. Inspect it for any visible damage or debris. If you notice dust or grime, use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab to clean the area around the port. Be gentle to ensure you don't damage any components. If the charging port appears damaged, you will need to replace it. For this, you must disconnect the battery first. Locate the battery connector and gently pull it away from the motherboard. If you lack the tools or expertise to perform this repair, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, remove the screws securing the charging port. Be mindful of the size and length of each screw, as they may vary. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the charging port from its socket. If it resists, double-check for any hidden screws or clips. With the old port removed, take the new charging port and align it in place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new charging port. Plug in your charger and see if the laptop powers on. If it does, great. If not, ensure all connections are secure. Once confirmed, carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips snap into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel is necessary for our services. Just let us handle the logistics for you. Lastly, if you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to assist you with all your laptop repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.